Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Personalization section, tap Allow, then go to the Wallpapers. You can select one of the live wallpapers, you can select one of the static wallpapers, the ones you have pre-installed on your Realme, but you can actually just set up any other photo that you can download from the internet, or just like take the picture with your camera. So let's select the photo, tap Allow. Here you can adjust this image by tapping on this button. You can okay, this is some other wallpaper feature. I just want to set this one. So here you can adjust this picture, then tap Apply. Select if you want to set it on lock screen, on home screen, or on both screens. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.